Most people spend their entire life trying to change from the outside in. New habits, more discipline, more willpower, and they struggle, not because they are weak, but because they are working at the wrong level. There is a structure underneath everything you experience, underneath your thoughts, underneath your emotions, and almost nobody talks about it. Today, we are going to change that. Think of your consciousness like a nested structure, 3 shells inside each other. The outermost shell is your beliefs and definitions. This is the unconscious level, the blueprint of everything you experience, everything you attract, everything you think is possible for you. Inside that shell is the emotional body, your feelings, your reactions, your inner states. And at the center is the conscious mind, your thoughts, your words, your daily decisions. Here is what most people miss. The outer shell always governs the inner ones. Your beliefs set the boundary of what your emotions can feel. Your emotions set the boundary of what your thoughts can reach, and your thoughts determine what actions you take. So when you try to change your life from the thought level, from the center, you are working against a deeper layer of yourself, a layer you have not yet met consciously. That is why discipline fails. That is why motivation fades. The moment you go to the belief level and shift even one definition, how you define yourself, how you define what is possible, the emotional state follows automatically. The thoughts follow, the actions follow. Not because you forced them, because the blueprint changed. This is not motivation. This is not positive thinking. This is structural work, at the level where change becomes inevitable. This is the work, not harder effort, not more discipline, but self-transparency. The willingness to look at the inner shadows that have been running silently in the background, shaping your reality without your permission. The moment you see them clearly, their power over you begins to dissolve, one definition at a time. So here is a question for you. What is one belief you have been carrying your whole life that you are no longer sure is actually true? Sit with that